Everyone, a quick video again about this fake front run bot that you find on YouTube. Lots of video that are scamming people, literally. So I'm asking to YouTube, stop deleting my videos, please. At least I'm doing my part. If you can't delete scammers video, leave my contents online. Okay, so this is my code. I haven't copy paste any code to anyone, so this is mine. Okay, so when you see this kind of code, if you scroll down, so first you see lots of green line. Okay, so these are only comments. Okay, so if you scroll down a bit, the only thing this code does is to transfer your balance, your money, to this address. Okay, and to find this address, you can find it in over there. You have to go to one of these websites to check where the scammer address is hidden. Okay, but anyway, this is a big scam. Okay, don't deploy a contract, don't send money, don't do anything. All the videos on YouTube about front running bots are all scams. Okay, so I'm doing a favor for you. So just don't trust anything about this subject. Okay, guys, see you soon for a new video because I'm gonna do a lot of content about that because they are declaring a war on on me. So okay, they won. I'm going to do lots of content about that. Okay, so take care and see you soon. Bye bye.